Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss best APN setting for all networks and any phone. Click settings, click SIM card and mobile networks. Then choose the SIM, click access point name, click plus icon, fill in the requirements blanks for APN settings. If you are using a specific SIM card, then search the name here. I am using Airtel SIM. Type name the SIM you use, then last at 405G. Type name the SIM you use, then last at 2022. No space can be used. Username use only SIM name here. Then type server www.google.com. Then follow my screen. Then click authentication type, select PAP or CSAP. Then APN protocol and APN roaming protocol, select IPv4 and IPv6. Then follow my screen. Execute the first one and mark all the ticks. Click save. Then select new APN settings. Then restart your phone. Thanks for watching.